I forget my passwords very frequently. Even after I change my password, I can't remember them for longer period. So, I thought of writing a script to automate my login to social media websites. So, I'll create a new folder for this project called Automate Login. And now I'll create a Python file called loginbot.py. The theme of this video is to log into my social websites like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and GitHub with just selecting your choice. So, the script will automatically opens the website and enters your credentials and logs you in. So, for this automation, you need a package called Selenium. So, to install this, open your command prompt and enter pip install Selenium. After you have installed Selenium, we also need a driver to automate with the browser. So, open your browser and search for Selenium Chrome Web Driver. Click the link where it shows to download. And here we have to select our Chrome version for respective driver to download. If you don't know your Chrome version, click on these three dots and you can see an option called Help. And in the Help, you will see an option which is About Google Chrome. Go ahead and click on that. So here you can see your Chrome version. And I'll go back and download the Chrome driver for respective Chrome version. And here select your operating system and download that zip file. After you download, extract the zip file, you will create an executable file. So copy this executable file and go to C drive and create a new folder called bin. Paste that executable file in this folder. And now you need to add this location to path in environment variables. So I'll right click on this PC and go to properties. On the left side you can see advanced system settings. And now click on environment variables. In the system variables block, you can see a variable with name path. Select that and click on edit. And now you need to add the location of Chrome driver, which is in C drive. So I'll click on new and I'll say C:/bin and I'll click on OK. And I'll close all those things. And now to check whether it is activated, open your command prompt and say Chrome driver -version. So it gives me the Chrome driver version. So we have our Chrome driver and now we need to start our script. I'll open my editor. So first I need to import the Selenium package to automate the WebDriver. So I'll say from Selenium import WebDriver. So let us make the Instagram login first. So I'll create a class that is class space instabot. And now I need a constructor to load this page. So I'll say def space underscore underscore init underscore underscore of self. And we also need the username and password to log in with my account. So I'll say insta username comma insta password. And now I need the driver to automate. So I'll say self.driver is equal to webdriver.chrome. So with the help of this driver, I need to get the Instagram web page. That is self.driver.get of https://instagram.com. So I got my web page and now I'll let the driver to sleep for maybe 3 seconds. So that will be sleep of 3. To use this, I need time module to be imported. So for that I'll say from time import sleep. So this gives me the Instagram page. And now let's open the Instagram website and check what we want to do next. So I don't have separate credentials for my Instagram. I need to log in with my Facebook account. That means I need to click this button to redirect to the Facebook login page. So I'll open my script and say self.driver.find underscore element underscore by underscore xpath of. So I'll find the element in the page to perform the action, but I use the xpath for it. So to find the xpath, I'll right click on the button and select inspect. Here I got the tag information. So I'll right click on this tag and go to copy, and I'll select copy full xpath. So I'll paste this xpath in my script. So the action to be performed is click, that is dot click off. So this finds the element in the page and performs the operation to be clicked. After clicking to redirect to the page, I will mention some time, that is sleep of 3. So after getting redirected to the Facebook page, I need to enter my credentials here. So I need to enter the username and password and click on login. So to find the element of this username, I'll right click on this tag and say inspect and copy the full XPath of this input tag, and I'll go to my script and say self.driver.find element by XPath and paste the XPath of this input tag. So we need to enter this value in the input tag. So for that, there is a method called send underscore keys. I need to send the Insta username to this input tag. So I'll mention send underscore keys of Insta username. And similarly for the password, I'll get the full XPath of this input tag and paste in my script. And I'll say self.driver.find underscore element underscore by underscore XPath of, and the full XPath of this input tag, and I'll send the keys, that is send underscore keys of Insta PW. And next we need to click login. So for that, I'll get the full XPath of the button, and now in my script I'll create a function, that is def space ins login of self. In this I'll say self.driver.find underscore element underscore by underscore xpath, and I'll paste the xpath of the button, and I need to perform the action, that is click. So I'll say dot click off. But we did not give our credentials to log in into our account. So we just mention the variables here. So I'll create a new Python file to save my credentials, that is passwords.py. In this, I'll say Insta username is equal to my username and Insta password is equal to my password. So you should enter your username and your password. And now in this login bot, I'll import this file, that is from passwords import asterisk. So we have done with the login for Instagram. For this to check, I'll say my bot is equal to instabot of, I'll send the username and password, that is insta username comma insta password, and I need to call this function. So I'll say mybot.ins login. So I'll go to my command prompt and run this file, that is python loginbot.py. So I got the Instagram page and I got redirected to the Facebook login and filled my credentials and got logged into my Instagram account. So in the similar way, I have created for my Facebook, Twitter and for my GitHub as well. And I have created a if-else condition to select for which account to be logged in. So let's see the whole preview. As you can see, Python is really powerful and interesting to work with. You can also make such cool projects using Python. So that's it for now. And if you are a new viewer of my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notifications from my channel. And I'll see you in the next video.